Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your account on Ludo King. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Ludo King game on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with logging in using your Facebook or your Google account. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, you will see various different game modes that you can start playing. Now, if you wish to delete your account, tap on the gear icon at the top left corner, which will take you into your settings page. From this page, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the Request Account Deletion section. Click on the Delete Account button from this page, and you will be asked whether you are sure that you wish to discontinue or delete your account. Tap on the Delete Account option, and once you do this, you will be logged out from your account and taken back into the login screen. After this, you will have about 30 days that you will need to wait if you wish to permanently delete your account. If you change your mind at any time, you can try logging back in from the same method before 30 days has passed, and your account will be recovered once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your account on Ludo King. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.